Composing email responses can be time-consuming, often requiring support agents to type out the same information and attach the same files repeatedly. Canned responses for Emailed Case Premium allows agents to reuse rich text responses, including the ability to attach files automatically. Support agents search for the existing response from the new comment page and insert the content into the email. They can even edit the message before sending it, improving productivity and personalization in one quick action. Canned responses allow you to use merge fields from Salesforce along with rich text, links, inline images, and default attachments. You can organize canned responses into categories and adjust the filters for the different types of work where the responses make sense to use. How would you use canned responses for Email to Case Premium to improve your service experience?